Hello everybody, this video is going to be a quick walkthrough on how the Worksheep Quiz Builder is going to look like and how it's going to save a lot of time for teachers. So, as you can see, this is what you will essentially be shown when you log into this particular link, and you can use your existing Worksheep accounts if you have one, or if you don't, feel free to create one and also explore the worksheet creation uh, app where you can automatically using AI create worksheets. But now coming back to the quiz builder, I am going to upload a psychology paper here and see how that is going to give us a quiz. So let me go ahead and upload that really quickly. Done. Now I'm going to click on create quiz with AI, and this is a little prompt that you get if you are going beyond 3000 words, because we are on our beta stage. So it's going to give you this little prompt, so don't worry about it, it will be gone away after the beta stage, but this is just during the beta stage. And there you go, this is your quiz. As you can see, the quiz is about the psychology of learning quiz, and you can see 10 questions, and definitely saves a lot of time for teachers who need a quiz instantly, or who are looking to get some help building a quiz and you don't have any idea what sort of questions you want to prepare if the document or if the lesson was too big. So it's definitely going to help teachers create these kind of questions. You can move the questions around and even move the answers around. So yeah, helps you with that, and you can also add extra questions or extra options for the students to choose from. Now, something that is even better is you can assign these expiry modes. So you can assign an expiry for the quiz to expire at a specific time, something like a deadline, or you can set a duration for the quiz where it's like an exam for 30 minutes or an hour or something like that. Or you can also give a never expire mode. So for now, I'll just give a duration of 10 minutes for the quiz that I've just prepared. So just add 10 there. And then student info fields are fields you want to collect before the quiz starts. Now I've noticed how this is a particular requirement most teachers have, because you don't want their students spending time during the actual quiz adding these in, and these are actually customizable, so you can add whatever field you want. So I'm going to give name, and I'm going to pick class, and you can also make this a drop down option, so you can make it A, B, oh sorry, let me just quickly remove those things, C, D, and E. There you go. You can also add another field. I'm not going to do that. I'll just show you how that's also possible. So yeah, this is what we have, and then these are our questions, and I am going to go ahead and publish it. So for now, we don't have the option to email the quiz to your students, but definitely in the future, you can go ahead and click on create quiz link, and the quiz is published successfully. There you go. So you can take this link for now, and you can drop it in a group, drop it in an email, and send it to the students. So I'm just going to open another tab or a browser, and I am going to go to the quiz. There you go. This is how the quiz will look like for a student. I can add my name, uh, John Doe, and then I'm going to pick my class. See, and like I told you, we added the expiry of 10 minutes. So the quiz will tell you the quiz is 10 minutes long, or must be finished within 10 minutes. So start the quiz. You can also see a timer getting started for 10 minutes, and I'll just go ahead and just give my answers in. I'm not sure if it's correct or wrong, and submit the quiz. There you go. Your score was 40%, and the timer is gone, obviously. If I was to go ahead and check these answers, I can go to quizzes. This is the quiz that I just generated. So view result, and then this is John Doe's answers. I can view the answers over here, or I can also download a summary CSV or a detailed CSV. I'm going to go with the detailed CSV. Uh, Call it this psych or just quiz 1. Save. If I was to open it, let me quickly open it up. And here we go. Now this is a detailed CSV, so you can see all of John Doe's questions that he answered and the answer that he gave and the correct answer and if it was correct or false and whatnot. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this quick walkthrough. But I was able to cover some of the parts. But if you are interested in exploring and experimenting further, do reply to the email that I just sent. You can even email to me at maajid@theworksheep.com, and I'd be happy to share a link, and you'd be able to send me some feedback and tell me what you think should go into this particular app. And with that, thank you for listening, and I will hear from you guys soon then. Bye bye for now.